Good morning, children. Today we are going to study how to form and solve simple equations. So, let us continue with exercise 7D of chapter number 7, Simple Linear Equations. Now, let us understand the steps to solve word problems. First of all, children, read the problems carefully. Then, analyze and understand the relationship between the different quantities which are given to you. You have to make it very sure what is given to you and what you have to find out. Whatever needs to be found out, you need to represent it with a variable. And a variable is represented using small English alphabets from A to Z. Then state the relationship as an algebraic equation. And then finally you need to solve the equation. Now, to understand this more clearly, let us solve a few questions. Now, let us continue with exercise 7D, question number 3. Here, we need to form an equation and then solve it. So, let us come to the first part. The question given here is 3 times a number is 60. What is the number? Let us assume that the number is x. Make sure, children, you can take any other variable also. Now, 3 times the number is given as 60. We all know, children, that the word times means multiplication. So, 3 into x, that is 3x, is equal to 60 because this 3 times the number is 60. Now, 3x is actually 3 into x. And if you want to find out the value of x, you need to transpose this 3 on the other side. And when it is transferred to the other side, it will go in division. As we all know that multiplication changes to division. And then 60, when you divide it with 3, you get 20 as the answer. So therefore, the unknown number is 20. Now the C part. 2 by 3 of a number is given as 30. What is the number? Again, let us assume that the number is x. So they are saying that 2 by 3 of this x is 30. Children, of is again multiplication. So 2 by 3 into x is equal to 30. Now, children, this 2 by 3 is in multiplication. When it goes to the other side of the equal to sign, the number in the denominator will move to the numerator, whereas the number in the numerator will move to the denominator. So 2 by 3 will go to the right hand side and become 3 by 2. Now let's do the cancellation. I can cancel 2 1s are 2 and 2 15s are will give 30. So you are left with 15 into 3. And we know that 15 into 3 is 45. So the unknown number is 45. Let us continue now with question number 4. The A part. Here they are saying that I am thinking of a number. If 60 is subtracted from it, the result is 4. So let us assume that the number is x. Now from this x, if I am subtracting 60, so it will become x minus 60. And the result or the answer you are getting is 4. So x minus 60 will become equal to 4. Now we all know, children, when minus 60 will move to the other side, it will become plus 60. So 60 plus 4 will give you 64. So therefore the number which I was thinking of was 64. Now let's come to another question. A number is multiplied by 3 and then 5 is added to it to get the answer as 20. We have to find the number. So let us assume that the number is y. Now when you are multiplying 3 to the number, it becomes 3y. And then 5 is added to it. So we need to plus 5 to it. And the answer or the result which you are getting is 20. So this will be equal to 20. Therefore, the equation becomes 3y plus 5 is equals to 20. Now children, first of all, we need to transpose the plus 5 on the right hand side. So, when plus 5 is transferred, it will become minus 5. And 20 minus 5 is 15. So, the equation becomes 3y is equals to 15. Now children, this 3y means 3 into y. So, when this 3 is transferred to the right hand side, it will go in division. So, you will get y is equals to 15 divided by 3. And we all know that 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, the unknown number is 5. I hope you all have understood these questions. Thank you, children.